As the sun goes around,
your
my
brain
game
gets bigger.
How many bitches will... As the sun goes around, my
Your brain
game
gets bigger.
How many bitches will
Pen,
I...
bigger.
As the sun goes around,
Your
my
brain
game
gets bigger.
How many bitches will I...
Say what?
You know what he's talking about?
How many asylums do we need?
Round and round, you
Around and around.
You know what they're talking about?
No.
Instinctively you give to me the love that I need. I cherish the moment with you. Respectfully I say to thee, I'm aware that you're cheating, but no one makes me feel like you do. Side down, boy, you turn me inside and round, upside down. Boy, you turn me inside.
Alright guys, thanks for joining me again.
Ooh.
Listen to my new song, right? Alright everybody, it's been a while, and this one's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to kind of reiterate what I was saying on the last couple of videos. Flat Earth video. If you really see, the sun's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. The sun's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Smaller. It's still sitting on the horizon forever. That would never happen in a globe Earth. Okay? It just so happens that there are probably mountains over here.
Probably.
The sun goes
We'll
further
never
and
know.
further away, goes behind the mountain range. It becomes dark in the foreground. That's what happened. Okay? I know a lot of globe Earth or flat earthers are aware of this. It's pretty obvious. Here's my channel.
While I'm on it, and see if I get used to the spin, and see if it doesn't try to fling me off. Ready? Let's do it. Switch hands. All right. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Holy crap, I'm dizzy already. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm near 1,000 miles per hour yet, but whew, I'm freaking dizzy, dude. Yeah, I can definitely feel it pulling me outwards, especially when I stand up. I have to lean inwards to compensate for the spin, and yeah, I'm getting off. Oh man. Oh wow. Holy moly. Yeah, there's no way. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me. Sometimes I cover the mic up. Basically, I was saying, there's no way anybody could get used to the spin. 1,000 miles an hour at the equator? No.
As the Earth, shaped like a flat disk, would, under its own gravity, naturally collapse back into a ball.
Let me get this straight. If the Earth were flat, due to its own gravity, it would collapse into a ball? I've never heard of a flat object, collapsing into a ball.
That's because you didn't stick around in middle school long enough. For massive objects such as the Earth, the gravity would collapse any non-spherical object into a sphere. For any massive planet, the gravity would pull the object in all directions. It wants to squeeze the object so that it takes up the least amount of surface area for the volume it has. Areas that protrude outwards are affected by this and pulled back in until it smooths into a ball. I don't know if that was the best way to explain it, but no matter how I said it, flat earthers would deny it.
Hey, did you see that flat basketball? Yeah, it collapsed, and it filled up with air.
This would only happen for massive objects such as the Earth. Something as small as a basketball wouldn't even have enough gravitational force to collapse itself. Even if it did, it wouldn't fill up with air. That's just ridiculous. It would just crunch up into a ball.
I think for a flat object to turn into a ball, it would actually have to inflate. I've never heard of it being flat and then it collapsed and turned into a ball, and it doesn't make any sense.
It would crunch up, it wouldn't inflate. Just take a piece of paper or tissue and crunch it up in your hand until it forms a sphere. That's a good way to imagine it.
Flat collapse into a ball? Nah. Ball collapses and turns flat.
Is that what happened to your brain?
This is why in outer space, everything more than a few hundred miles in diameter is round.
The questions are just invalid.
All the questions are invalid. All of them.
You're like asking a question like, if unicorns don't exist, then why can't they fly?
Wait, what? I was asking about a flat Earth model the same thing as asking, hey, if unicorns don't exist, why do they fly?
If Sasquatch is not real, then why is there a photo of them?
Okay, that's a little bit more reasonable. Like, if Bigfoot or Sasquatches aren't real, then why is there a photo? Well, the photo was faked. Same thing with the fucking turtle with the flat Earth on its back. It's an artist's rendition of it. Well, yeah, they say globe Earth photos are faked. Basically, he's equating like Sasquatches being real with the photo being there as and now there's photos of globe Earth, so of course there must be a real Earth, and apparently those things are the same thing.
Like, come on, you guys are stupid, man. Look, it's over. You don't got nothing. You don't got nothing. You didn't see nothing. You didn't hear. I mean, other than in like commercials and in comic books and shit like that.
Hello, Flat Earth researchers, debaters, and debunkers. I'd like to use this coconut from my garden to illustrate and explain where a flat earther is coming from when it is to open them up, to physically cut the coconut open and find out it's made up of meat and coconut water. This one's full of